as a developer, one of the common things that you do is copy and paste or cut and paste code around. And typically, let's say if I wanted to move the find item method around, I have to highlight the entire method either using my keyboard or the mouse. Then let's say I want to copy it, so in this case Control C to copy, and if I want to move it to a separate file, I can create a separate file, and then let me get rid of the template code there and paste it. That's all well and good, but unfortunately when it gets to larger methods or larger classes, it's a bit more cumbersome because you have to do a bunch of scrolling around in Visual Studio. So let me show you a much easier way to move code around in Visual Studio. I'm going to undo the paste that I just did and go back to my original source code. So if I wanted to copy the find item method, what I can do is put my cursor anywhere inside the method, press Control MM to collapse the method to its definition, then press Control C to copy it, go back to my file, and then paste it again. And this is even more useful if you want to copy an entire class. So in this case, if I want to copy the class that contains the find item method, I can put my cursor anywhere within the class but outside of a method, press Control MM to collapse the class to its definition, press Control C to copy it, and then go to the destination file and paste it there. So what just happened? Well, what I did was make use of a command in Visual Studio called outlining toggle outlining expansion. The toggle outlining expansion is equivalent to clicking the expansion markers in the Visual Studio to collapse and expand an entire method. The trick really there is that once you have your cursor anywhere on the collapsed definition, when you press Control C, it will actually copy the entire body of the method as opposed to just the header itself. So in this case, not only did I copy the submit order signature, but also I copied the entire body as well. So as you can see, using the outlining expansion feature, it's a much easier way to copy and paste code around in Visual Studio.